A new Sephora Favorites kit is available now, the Holiday Sparkly Clean Beauty Kit. The set includes 6 essentials to sparkle for the holidays. So it is $42 and has a $124 value. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. A 6-piece set of clean beauty picks, including 4 full-size bestsellers from brands like Sally, Merit, and Kosas. Sparkle for the Holiday is Clean by Sephora Beauty, including 5 full-size bestsellers from Rose Inc., Sai, Kosas, Calorie, and Merit. This set will include Merit Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick in L Avenue Berry Brown, that is a full size. Rose Inc. Ultra Black Lash Lifting and Lengthening Serum Mascara in black, that's a mini size, 0.15 ounces. Sai Dew Blush Liquid Cheek Blush in Chili, it's a cool toned mauve, it's full size. Freck Beauty Cactus Water Cleansing Lactic Acid Toner, deluxe size. Calorie Glazed and Infused No Burn Plumping Lip Gloss in Taco Tuesday. It is a toasted caramel honey that is full size. Kosas Air Brow Gel in clear. It is clean lifting treatment eyebrow gel with lamination effect. It is full size. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.